Congratulations on successfully growing your tomato plants. But the journey doesn't end with planting. Proper aftercare is essential for maximizing your tomato harvest and maintaining plant health. One important aspect of aftercare is regular maintenance. Monitor your plants for any signs of disease or pest infestations. If you spot any issues, promptly address them using organic pest control methods or disease management techniques to minimize damage. As your tomato plants grow, continue supporting them by tying up the vines to their stakes or cages. This helps maintain proper airflow and prevents the plants from sprawling on the ground. To encourage healthier growth and maximize fruit production, consider removing the suckers that emerge from the leaf axils. This directs energy to the main stem and existing branches. Applying a layer of organic mulch around the base of your plants is beneficial. It helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. Proper watering is crucial for tomato plants. Ensure they receive consistent moisture, aiming for about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. Water at the base of the plants to avoid wetting the foliage, which can lead to disease. Continue providing essential nutrients to your tomato plants. Feed them with an organic fertilizer or compost every few weeks to replenish the soil and support healthy growth. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, harvesting. Pick your tomatoes when they reach their mature color and are slightly soft to the touch. Ripe tomatoes are bursting with flavor and ready to enjoy. By following these essential aftercare practices, you'll ensure your tomato plants stay healthy and productive throughout the season. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and savor the incredible flavors of homegrown tomatoes. Mastering tomato aftercare.